Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the MSI X870 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard that's been making waves in the PC building community. Before you make that crucial motherboard choice for your next build, you need to watch this comprehensive review where we've done all the research to help you make an informed decision. We'll cover everything you need to know, and don't forget to check the description for the best price available right now. So you clicked on this video to learn about one of the most talked about X870 motherboards on the market. We're evaluating this board based on its price point, real-world performance, and how it stacks up for different usage scenarios from gaming to content creation. Let's dive right in and get started. The MSI X870 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi absolutely shines with its exceptional power delivery system, featuring a robust 14 Duet Rail Power System with 60 ASPS VRM specifically engineered for AMD's latest Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. This motherboard is clearly targeted at serious gamers and enthusiasts who demand uncompromising performance from their AM5 platform builds. The standout feature has to be the comprehensive cooling solution called Frozr, which incorporates 7W/MK MOSFET thermal pads, additional choke thermal pads, and an extended heatsink design that keeps your system running cool even under extreme loads. Additionally, the memory support on this board is truly impressive, with 4 DDR5 DIMM slots capable of handling extreme overclocking speeds up to 8200 plus MT/ in single DIMM per channel configuration. This remarkable memory performance is complemented by a PCIe 5.0x16 slot with steel armor protection, delivering a massive 128 GB per S bandwidth for cutting-edge graphics cards. The reinforced slot design ensures your heavy GPU won't cause any structural issues over time. Furthermore, storage enthusiasts will appreciate the triple M2 connector configuration. The primary M2 Gen 5 X4 slot offers blazing fast 128 Gbps speeds and comes equipped with the Easy M2 Shield Frozr 2 to prevent thermal throttling during intensive workloads. Moreover, you get an additional M2 Gen 4 X4 slot with 64 Gbps bandwidth and a third M2 Gen 4 X2 slot providing 32 Gbps speeds, giving you exceptional flexibility for your storage configuration. The connectivity options are where this motherboard truly sets itself apart from the competition. The U-Ultra Connect feature includes cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology with Bluetooth 5.4 support, ensuring you're ready for the latest wireless standards. The 5 Gbps LAN port provides lightning-fast wired connectivity for competitive gaming or large file transfers. The rear I/O is particularly impressive, featuring a USB 4 Type-C port with 40 Gbps bandwidth and display output capability, plus 7.1 HD audio with Audio Boost technology for outstanding sound quality. MSI's implementation of Core Boost architecture ensures stable power delivery to your processor, making this board an excellent choice for users planning to run high-end Ryzen 9 processors at their full potential. The inclusion of a combo fan header supporting up to 3A is perfect for custom water cooling setups, allowing you to connect both pump and system fans efficiently. However, one notable downside some users may find is the price point, which positions this board in the upper mid-range segment. While the features justify the cost for enthusiasts, budget-conscious builders might find it stretching their wallet, especially when paired with high-end Ryzen 9000 series processors and DDR5 memory kits. The build quality is exceptional throughout, with reinforced PCIe slots, quality capacitors, and a robust PCB design that inspires confidence for long-term reliability. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or a future-proof system that can handle whatever comes next, the MSI X870 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi delivers outstanding performance across the board. You got it. So that's it for the best X870 motherboard.